Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to manage task priority with custom fields, your complete guide for 2025. First up, you need to define your custom field. This is where you'll set the parameters for your task priorities. In your task management tool, go to Settings, then Custom Fields. Click on Create a new field, name it Task Priority, and set the field type as Dropdown. The reason we do this is to categorize tasks according to their urgency. After you've set that up, it's time to populate your drop-down menu. This helps us because it allows us to assign specific priority levels like high, medium, low to our tasks. So go ahead and add these values to your new custom field. Next up, you'll assign these priority levels to your tasks. Go to your task list, click on a task, and you'll see your newly created task priority field. Here, select the appropriate priority level. This is crucial as it helps keep your tasks organized based on their urgency. Now that we've done that, let's talk about filtering tasks by priority. On your task list, click on the filter icon and select your task priority field. Choose the priority level you want to view. This step is important as it enables you to focus on high-priority tasks first, improving efficiency and productivity. And that wraps up our quick guide on managing task priority with custom fields. Remember, defining, populating, assigning, and filtering are your key steps to effectively manage task priority. Keep these in mind, and you'll be a pro at prioritizing tasks in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.